Purple for epilepsy. Hello everybody, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. If you're new here, thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you. I want to give you a shout out and say thank you for joining my YouTube family. And to all my old subscribers, thank you for staying with me and riding this train journey of love, peace, joy, happiness, and self-expression. Today's video is the collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. And our theme for today is epilepsy. Epilepsy affects a lot more people than we think. It is a sickness, a disease that causes people to have seizures. And the color for epilepsy awareness is purple. So today I'll be creating a purple look, and I'll be telling you a little bit more about epilepsy. The color purple today is for epilepsy. The epilepsy awareness color is purple, and I am going to create a purple look and tell you a little about epilepsy. The causes of epilepsy is different for each person. Each person is different. Nobody is diagnosed the same way or with the same causes. About half of the people with epilepsy have an unknown cause. In others, doctors can trace epilepsy directly to genetics, brain trauma, autoimmune disorders, metabolic issues, or infectious diseases. Those are other ways that doctors can check for epilepsy. I'm using different shades of purple to create this look for epilepsy. This is a very dark purple I'm using in the outer corner. It looks black, but it's a very dark purple, and it's very, very pretty. Each epilepsy cause has different signs, diagnosis, and treatment option. So they're all different. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please go visit them and see what purple epilepsy eyeshadow look that they have created. And now let's finish this look. Infection is probably the most common cause of epilepsy. Infection is probably the most common cause of epilepsy. There are other forms, there are other causes, and I will be reading these to you in a few minutes. The other causes of epilepsy: infections, which is number one, which is the most common cause; autoimmune epilepsy; genetic causes of epilepsy; metabolic causes of epilepsy; and structural cause of epilepsy. A little shimmer for a ray of sunshine, sunlight, brightness into someone with epilepsy. Give them a little shimmer to bring a little light to their pain and their sickness and their diseases. So I'm putting a little shimmer for light to represent light. A little shimmer to represent light. Purple for epilepsy. Epilepsy treatment can help, but there is no cure for epilepsy. This is my epilepsy look. I use a couple purples from the Bright Matte Palette by Beauty Bay. And these are the purples I use. And from the LA Girl palette, it's called Main Stage. I use this purple shimmer right there, right in the middle, right here, to give a little light. Shine a little light on the people who are suffering with epilepsy. Because epilepsy has no cure, let us keep an eye on the people we know with epilepsy to make sure that whenever they are going into a seizure, that there is a place and someone who can prevent them from getting harm. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying, did you notice my earrings? These are my purple and lilac earrings. Again, go out live life, and have a fabulous day. Bye.